I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue channel. And this week we're going to do a little series of Halloween plus Rainbow High dolls. I was not going to, don't I say that a lot, buy these junior high Rainbow High dolls. There was no appeal for me. And then they went on sale and I bought a couple. And now I'm in love with this little Violet. I mean, I am in love with her. She's so cute. Darren made her a little stand. Look at this. He also made her some little shoe soles. And I made her this outfit, and this is how I did it. Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly had, a couple weeks ago, a Blythe doll fold over. I call these fold over because there's no seam at the shoulder. And you cut them out. This is on the fold. It's a very simple dress pattern. And she showed this for a Blythe doll, and I went and got the pattern. And I copied it out for my Blythe doll in what I thought was the correct size, but it turns out it wasn't. So I played with the pattern a little bit, and I took this for the junior high, Rainbow High doll, and I printed this about 37% smaller than the Blythe doll pattern, but then I had to add a little bit at the bottom and for the butt. The butt of the Rainbow High doll is bigger than it is for the Blythe doll, but this is what I made. This is the little dress. This is the first one I made. I thought it was kind of cute. It works real cute for her. I just put a little Velcro in the back. I could not, however, double the fabric for the liner, and the reason is the shoulder is much too tight after you get your seams in to pull everything through. So what I'm going to do is just turn this over, finish each of the shoulders and the neck along the back, and then hem it and add Velcro. But I cut this out. The skulls kind of go every which way. Wish I would have done that the other way, because then there would have been more facing down, but as you can see, it's helter-skelter skulls. While I got the Blythe pattern and took it down for the junior high, I also took it up a bit. I cannot remember, and I did not write it down, how much I took it up for the Rainbow High dolls. But if you go to Tammy's channel, she has not only where to get the pattern, but also it shows her doing a tutorial on how to sew this dress, and I will leave a link to that below.
These are the post and the hoop or hook earrings that we're going to try and adapt. I've modified this one here just so it kind of points inwards. It's kind of janky, but this is just to test, make sure the hole goes through correctly. The drill bit is just a little bit bigger than this. We have never done one of these junior highs before. Their ears are even smaller, so getting the hoop through might be a little tricky. So the first thing I'm going to do is mark where the holes should be. We're going to drill one set straight in for the post, and then one coming out the back here at this about like so.
Into that hole.
Into the hole that goes in, right. All right, I've marked both sides with a pencil. I don't know if you can see that. These earlobes are so much smaller. The drill bit is almost the size of the earlobe. So this is going to be kind of a delicate process, and hopefully I do not bust out on the side of the earlobe and ruin it. So obviously if you're doing this at home, for your dolls, be careful. Better to err a little bit away from the edge than...
And I have Darren do this because I'm heavy-handed, and I would have a hole from one ear through the other side of the head. I'm kind of a press and go and push and shove kind of person. Cool, man,
out,
cool.
and it didn't come out the back, so that's good.
Okay.
So that's the one going in.
Okay, go ahead. You want to do the back, or do you want to check your post?
And one of the things we've noticed is the plastics on all of these dolls are a little bit different. Each model series has a different kind of plastic. And oh, looks like I've got some of her hair coming in the back and out the front. Have to fix that before.
Yeah, he said right away that the plastic on at least our junior high doll is quite different. He's done a lot of my rainbow high dolls this way, Poopsie Surprise, and my 24-inch Amaya Raine, and every single one had a different type of plastic.
The drill bit has actually picked up the hair from inside the head. This isn't coming through. It's
We can cut
from
that off.
inside the head.
Yeah, we'll just cut that off. Do you want scissors now?
It's in my way. There
Ah,
we go.
there you go. Or just yank it.
Okay, and then
The post should be right there. Oh, good. Go ahead. Yeah.
we'll just go ahead and.
Yeah. He starts in the back so
Well,
we can line it up.
If there's room, I start in the easiest is to come in from the existing hole and just come at a different angle. Let me try that here. The problem with this it makes it, well, the good thing is it makes for a single straight through hole, which is easier to get the earring through, but it's harder to get the right angle because you kind of want about a 45-degree angle.
So that the earring lays right. The first time he did this for me, I had bought some fish hook earrings for my Pacific Coast doll while we were in Florida at the beach, and he happened to have a drill. He said, "Hey, let's try something," and out of the trunk of the car,
In the back.
in the back of the vehicle, he
Obviously, it's a really big earring for her.
for her,
so,
yeah, but a small hoop would be adorkable.
And then somewhere we have.
I heard it hit the floor when I
Okay.
flipped some stuff. I'll get it.
Okay, so we got the post, found a post, and there it is showing there. And here's the hook on the other side. And then
We're ready for the other post.
ready
When I was in junior high, I got my ears pierced, and my first earrings were, turn that sideways, the gold posts. I buy my doll earrings mostly at garage sales and thrift stores, but I also buy them on clearance like at Walmart and usually in a multi-pack. If you have not yet bought one of these junior high rainbow high dolls, they are on sale online. You might want to get one. It's funny, they look so much smaller, but when you are adapting the clothes pattern, the stand pattern, the shoe pattern, they're not a whole lot smaller, but they are the same doll scaled down. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.